Unlike some of its competitors, Samsung, LG, Sony isn't used to flooding the market with products. It likes to take its time and come up with just a few handsets each year, 1 or 2 budget phones here, a couple of mid-rangers there, and, if it's a new James Bond movie kind of year, a heavy-hitting flagship for enthusiasts. Well, what do you know? Agent 007 is back, and so is Sony with a brand new flagship, the Xperia Z5. At first glance, the Z5 is typical Sony, a logical continuation of the company's long-running Xperia Z line. However, is this really the Sony we've been looking for? Are the values of the company, and the characteristic traits of its products alive and well in the Xperia Z5? Is it an example of a thought-out, polished Android smartphone, or is it too little, too late? We've waited long enough for the Z5, and now, it's time to see if Sony really has something to serve that's not already on the table. Multimedia. The 5.2-inch display is good enough for video watching. Sure, it has that cold tone to it, but you can fix that using the color balance setting. What's more, the Sony Xperia Z5 is water and dust resistant, IP68, which means that entertainment can follow you in the bathroom or at places that may otherwise prove risky for your phone. Similarly to its predecessor, the Z5 has front-facing stereo speakers, which is good. However, their sound quality is quite mediocre, which is bad. Having a duo of speakers positioned in the leftmost and rightmost edges of the phone, when in landscape, does make for a better, more immersive audio scene, than having a single speaker on one side, but the poor sound quality in the case of the Z5 doesn't let us truly enjoy the experience.